What's up, guys? Today we've got a 2023 Ducati Panagale V4. We're removing the back tire, and this is why I love Ducatis. I mean, this is the easiest thing in the world. You get the bike lifted. All you gotta do is pull this guy off. Literally just comes off real easily with the needle nose. And then you use one of these tools. You can get it on Amazon for cheap or eBay, which rips it off. This comes right off, and guess what? As soon as you get that off, boom, the whole tire comes off. So easy to do.